Hello folks and welcome to another project vlog here. Today we have the handles finished for the Ikea drawer. They are printed out. So the design requires that I drill another additional hole below the original pilot hole here on each drawer, so under each handle at least, so I'll need to do that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. Pretty badass sock drawer if you ask me. Yeah, definitely impressed with how those came out and how they look on the cabinet. Like, that thing looks so freaking awesome now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put those on my store for 3dshapeengineering.com. I'll put the link in the description. There we go. We got that project taken care of here. Just working on some other CAD designs. About to just finish drafting them, and then I'm going to print them out, as well as a few little things here. But let's go ahead and cut to a good tool review. Alright folks, today's tool is the Leatherman multi-tool here. This is the Leatherman Surge. I have had this tool for well over 5 years now. It comes with this cool little carrying case that's half leather, half nylon, or what, I don't know what material you'll call it. And it comes with a file and a saw, which is in here. The only problem is the saw is a little loose, but once it does lock and it is safe, of course I'll chalk it up to wear because I've been pretty abusive towards this thing here. And of course that's scissors, a regular knife, serrated, I think this is 420 stainless, I want to say. Of course it has the pliers, good cutter action to it, good for cutting really thick or relatively thick wire. And of course it does have its like grips and just standard needle nose type application there. It has like a bit driver, which I have different bits in the holster there. Then it has like a bottle opener, can opener type deal, and some leather stitcher thing, and a precision bit which broke off because I dropped it on concrete. It's kind of stuck in there now because there's no bit in it. And then just a big old flat head for prying stuff out mostly. Pretty comprehensive tool, really rugged. I've had this thing for over 5 years. Just want to say I'm not being paid by Leatherman to review this product here. This is just a personal review. And I definitely would recommend purchasing a Leatherman. I've tried other types of multi-tools, and I personally do not really care for like SOG or Gerber, any other brand, any of the name brands here. And I definitely would not waste my time with like the off brands or the no names that are out there. Swiss Army knife is another one that I'm not a huge fan of, just because it's so hard to get the tools out. They're so packed together that you need like you need really long fingernails, which I do not have. I've actually used this thing as a hammer before. Notice these little knurls here. You can whack it into something. It's a pretty crude hammer, mind you, but it will not damage the tool. There's just like some minor like scuffs and like bends in the top metal there, but yeah, you can hammer this thing around and abuse the crap out of it, and it will still be good. And if it does break, they do have a 25-year warranty. At least I'm pretty sure they still have it. But they're pretty good about replacing anything here. Alright folks, there's our good old tool review here. I hope y'all liked it. Okay, here is our vent fan clip here. So basically the fan will mount on it. Whoa, wow. Huh, forget this is a touch screen at times. So basically it'll print upside down. So it'll just, there are magnets on each side, 2 on each side, neodymiums, and those will actually clamp to the register. And then of course a 120mm fan will sit there, and then there's some zip tie like hooks here, and like a little cross cable section, as well as like some nuts, or a couple of nuts and bolts that bolt 2 sections together to create one giant double fan section. And then that will, and then near the zip, and this will be zip tied in there. I was gonna make like its own little enclosure, but it was kind of at a premium for space inside of this enclosure here, so it's gonna barely fit in that print bed. It's pretty big here. It should be pretty interesting here. I'm gonna try to load up a pretty good time lapse for you all. So let's go ahead and go to that time lapse, and that'll be about it for tonight here. I'm gonna finish the night off. I'm just gonna just be catting a few things, and of course I'll update you all in the next vlog about that. And like I said, check out the 3D Shape Engineering store in the video description here. Also check out that Amazon link. Really would appreciate if you use that affiliate link here. It really helps the channel out a lot. Just all you have to do is just click on the link and buy stuff through Amazon using that link, and it's as easy as that. That will help me out immensely. I get a little kickback from that there. It's not huge, but it definitely does help out in the long run. So definitely check that out here, folks, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.